Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Breakout is back. The Breakout model returned to the North America model line, flexing more muscle and flexing bright new styling offer is a long and lean chopper profile. The muscle is provided by the Milwaukee-Eight 117-feet twin engine, the pinnacle of torque and displacement in a factory install regular production Harley-Davidson powertrain that gives the Breakout rider a sun-bridging ride on the street. Other new features include the 5-gallon fuel tank top with a low-profile chrome console shape that lengthen the motorcycle profile and extend riding range. A new handlebar riser and polished stainless steel handle 3/4 inch taller than previous model for improved rider reach to control. A dazzling chrome finish is applied to the rear fender support, side cover, muffler shield, turn signal, mirror, heavy breather intake, and new 26-spoke cast aluminum wheels are finished in gloss black with machine details. A Harley-Davidson softail chassis maintains classic hardtail lines without sacrificing truly modern ride and handling performance. The Breakout model is designed to rule the street with style and power. Okay guys, what do you think about 2023 Harley-Davidson Breakout? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.